Hi there, planner friends. I just wanted to jump on here really quick. This is going to be a pretty simple video, but I just wanted to show you this notebook that I just got from Amazon, and the brand name is DiverseBee. This book is, I believe, $10 from Amazon, and if you're looking for a decent notebook, I think this actually is a pretty good notebook. It does say Dream on it. I'll open it here for you here. It's from DiverseBee Dream Notebook, 96 sheets, dotted pages. So if you like those dot grid pages, that's what this has. Okay, there. I had to put down my phone for just a moment so that I could open that. So they do have some other journals or notebooks that I believe are lined, and those are $10. Again, it's DiverseBee. That's what you want to look up if you're interested, and I can leave a link in the notes. It says Dream in a nice little copper. There, I'm trying to get a little bit of glare there for you so you can see that it's foiled. And this cover is very smooth. I'm not sure how to describe it because it's not like a faux leather. It's not a cardboard. It is definitely a hard book, but it isn't. It's kind of hard to describe what it feels like exactly, but it's very smooth, almost like a silky feeling actually. And then on the inside papers has these little words: believe, flourish, learn, inspire. And you have your opening. This book, or this dream, belongs to. And the pages, this is what I love about it. Okay, this is maybe just me, but these pages, they're like a pink color. You can kind of see it next to my cup. So if you like pink, you might like this book. Let me see if I can find some white. Hang on. There. I got a white paper so you could kind of see the difference and compare the two. Now it's easier to see that there is a hue to that paper. So anyways, there is a little pocket in the back. There's nothing in the pocket. It does not come with any stickers. It does not come with anything extra. It's just the notebook. It does have 96 sheets of paper in that. So I guess if you're doing both sides, what is that? That's more than 160 pages there. So it should last a good while. You could use it for all sorts of things. But anyways, I thought I would just share that with you if you were interested in a different option for a dotted journal. All right. Thank you. Bye.